The Aegis K680T is a 68-key mechanical keyboard. It comes with three variants of switches, which are red, brown, and blue. It also comes in black or white case. My unit here has the red switches. The build quality of the K680T is decent and solid with chamfered edges. The typing experience is desirable, especially with the red switches. Also, to note, the switches used here are not from the mainstream brands like Cherry MX or Kale, but it's a Chinese clone of Gateron switches. It only comes with a white LED backlight and it comes with 18 different lighting effects. The K680T can be used via wired mode or Bluetooth and can connect up to 3 devices. The pairing mode and device switching is fairly fast as well. The battery for this is 1000 milliamp hours and can last 60 hours when the backlight is turned off. For its price point, the build and the keyboard as a whole, you get your money's worth. And I would recommend it as a very good starting mechanical keyboard.